We're here at Holroyd to find out all about the digital twin on Siemens' new SINUMERIK ONE.
My name is Gary Mepham. I'm an applications engineer with Siemens in the UK. So SINUMERIK ONE is our digitally native future-proof NC control from Siemens and is suitable for all machining technologies. It's future-proof because we offer enhanced connectivity possibilities with additional Profinet interfaces, OPC-UA interfaces, and also an increased performance because the NC is now up to 50% more powerful than the previous control, and the PLC is 10 times faster thanks to the newly integrated state-of-the-art 1500 PLC. SINUMERIK ONE also boasts increased security in terms of the connectivity between both networking components, the system, and say the HMI or the machine control panel, but also to external devices, external resources such as servers and PCs and the internet. This security is now encrypted and has the possibility to use certificates to meet today's increased requirement for such security in our industrial environment. So here we have a concept called WinCC. We have another product from one of our other divisions within Siemens. They have a product called WinCC. We're able to use that product and embed our HMI Operate user interface into a WinCC environment. WinCC allows the machine tool builder to completely customize and design his own machine control panel, if you like. In this case, a virtual machine control panel, a touchscreen virtual machine control panel that complements the physical hardware machine control panel we see below us. So this makes it completely open and unique to Holroyd. Yeah, so this machine uses the SINUMERIK S120 range of book-sized drive modules to complement the SINUMERIK ONE NCU. SINUMERIK ONE also has a migration path from previous controls and a workflow that we describe to allow machine tool builders to easily migrate from the previous control, the 840 DSL, to SINUMERIK ONE.
It's not just the control on the machine that's been improved. It can now be completely simulated with something called digital twin. What is digital twin?
So the digital twin forms part of the digitalization portfolio that is offered by Siemens. For SINUMERIK ONE, that is create my virtual machine and run my virtual machine. Create my virtual machine is aimed at the machine tool builder, and run my virtual machine is a product aimed at the end user.
So what are some of the advantages of using digital twin?
So using a digital twin, in this case, let's say create my virtual machine for Holroyd here, then the advantages are the time saving in commissioning, remote working. You don't need to connect to the real machine. You can start the commissioning process long before power is applied to the machine.
So we spoke about the advantages, but what are some of the benefits outside of the machine?
So benefits when using SINUMERIK ONE in conjunction with Create My Virtual Machine is a reduced commissioning time. We expect to see a reduction of around 30%. We also see a benefit in terms of reduced resources. Okay, so energy costs, material costs, tooling, and all of this as well adds to the sustainability goals that's so important for our end users and the machine tool builders.